So we got this sprinkler thing. I don't know what it looks like. I'm gonna go set it up right now. It's like a little like toddler sprinkler type thing. I don't know. Her daddy picked it out, so we'll see. Excited, Mirabella? Like filling up with some water on the edges. And in the middle is getting a little bit of water. Maybe I need to turn it on higher. Those are some big shoes. Yeah. Okay, so today Mirabella is going to be trying these the first time. And it's not the first time for me. It's like the probably 20th time or something. I don't know. I think they're lychee, I don't know. They have these at the Yogurt Land. They have them at Asian stores. So they have them at Asian stores. And my Safeway had them today, so I picked them up. Haven't had them in a while. So, here. No. So they have a skin. So you don't eat the skin. Just like, you know, if you didn't try them ever before. So you can use your hand and you just unpeel this skin off with your, you know, clean hands. I've washed my hands several times. I've been cooking, so it looks like this. And there's a seed in there. You don't eat that seed. You can just bite the lychee and then, you know, take the seed. So she takes small bites, so I don't have to worry. She took a bite, but she didn't fully bite it off. That's what happened just now. See? But it's sweet. I don't know how to describe it. That's the size of the seed. It's like as wide as my thumb. As wide as my thumb, kind of. So here's another one. She was like, I guess they're sweet. They taste good to me. How much were they selling them at the Safeway? It was like I don't know, like $6.50 or something for this bag. So this is, I don't know, it just says high in vitamin. It doesn't say how much is in that bag, like pound or something. Here we go again. This is the size of the seed next to it, so you can see how big it. Go ahead, take a bite. You just want to look at the seed? Huh? Oh, now she'll take a bite. So a small bite, but so try. I don't think it's gonna harm her. I wouldn't have her try it if I thought that. She's 20 months. Most of the allergies are like by 2 years old, I think. Or I think like the only other one I can think of that's like you have to be careful with is maybe shellfish or I don't know, seafood or something. But I don't know. It's not like I didn't look that up. It's just something we are careful with her about. So, so oh, she didn't even take a bite. So, oh, okay. I don't know. So I don't know if you like. Do you like these? You don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, she's like talking about how she's gonna try it. So I just ate like I guess 4 of them. It's kind of sweet for me right now. So I have to watch the sugary foods that I eat, so that's why. That's the seed, sweetie pie. I wonder if we could plant this. I think it's like tropical, so I don't think that's the thing we could do. Otherwise, we'd with the other the seeds. It seems like you clean them, rinse them, dry them before trying to sprout any seeds, anyways. But it gets pretty cold in the winter around here. Do you wanna try this? You want more? This one? No? Oh, okay, I think she had enough. Oh, I ate a lot of them, sweetie. There's a lot of sugar. Sweetie pie, are you the driver? She smiles. Are you the driver? Pizza, yeah? What a fun day, huh? Where's this, South San Jose? Checking out the fire truck.